How to close all open tabs in Safari browser in your iPhone at once. Means it just one click and close all open tabs in your Safari. Launch Safari browser on your iPhone and from the bottom right corner tap on it and you will see all your open browser from here. Tap on it and this time only two is opened. So we will delete or remove these two browser in just one clicks. Press and hold this corner button and here you will find close both tabs, close this tab. If you choose close this tab, then only close current tab of your Safari browser and now open a second browser and now again tap and hold this and choose close both tabs. Click on it and again choose clean both tabs. If you have more than two tabs, then all tabs will be deleted at once from